Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best caulk for showers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Alway CT31 3-in-1 caulk tool for removal and application. Now, while this isn't a caulk itself, it still earns a spot on our list due to its utility and versatility when working with caulking projects. This multifunctional tool is designed to make both the removal of old caulk and the application of new caulk a breeze. With a stainless steel blade for removing old caulk and a rotatable silicone triangle for smoothing newly applied caulk, it's an all-in-one solution that can save you both time and effort. The design is practical and user-friendly, featuring a soft grip handle that's comfortable to hold. Its lightweight construction, just 9 grams, makes it easy to maneuver, and the high-quality materials ensure durability. Whether you're working with acrylic, latex, or silicone caulk, this tool is adaptable to various caulking needs, including windows, baths, and showers. However, it's worth noting that while the Alway CT31 is an excellent accessory, it doesn't replace the need for high-quality caulk. This product is ideal for anyone who frequently undertakes home improvement projects or wants to achieve a professional finish. The downside? It's not the star of the show when it comes to actual sealing performance. It's more of a trusty sidekick. If you already have your caulk picked out, this tool will elevate your results. It offers excellent value for $6.99, especially for DIY enthusiasts. At number 4, we have the Silicone 3-pack silicone caulk. This product stands out for its convenient packaging and added accessories, which include tape and a scraper for a smoother application process. Each tube contains 5.3 ounces of caulk, giving you a total of 15.9 ounces, perfect for tackling multiple projects around your home. The formula is made from modified polyether with Silicone, which cures into an elastic, waterproof film within 24 hours. The Silicone caulk is marketed as a versatile solution for a variety of household applications, including sealing sinks, toilets, bathtubs, and more. It boasts anti-shrinkage and anti-cracking properties, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The caulk also resists yellowing, peeling, and cracking over time, which is a significant plus for long-term projects. Additionally, it's non-toxic and odorless, making it safer for indoor use and environmentally friendly. While this product delivers solid performance, it's worth noting that the brand is less established compared to others on this list. The lack of a listed price could also be a drawback for those on a strict budget. However, if you're looking for a product that offers both quantity and helpful tools for application, this 3-pack is a great choice. It's ideal for homeowners tackling multiple repair or sealing tasks who want a ready-to-go kit. Taking the number 3 spot is the Gorilla 100% silicone caulk in white. This small yet mighty 2.8-ounce squeeze tube is perfect for quick fixes and smaller projects, making it the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $6.34. Don't let its low price fool you. This caulk packs a punch with its impressive waterproofing and 10-year mold resistance. It's also designed to resist shrinking, cracking, and yellowing over time, ensuring a durable seal. The squeeze tube design makes application straightforward, even for beginners, and the formula is ready for water exposure in as little as 30 minutes. This makes it a fantastic choice for last-minute repairs or urgent sealing needs. It can be used on a wide range of surfaces, from tiles and porcelain to metal and wood, making it a versatile option for various household tasks. On the downside, the smaller tube size might not be ideal for larger projects. Additionally, while the white color is clean and sleek, it may not blend seamlessly with all surfaces. Nevertheless, for the price, this caulk offers excellent value and reliability, especially for those tackling smaller-scale bathroom or shower repairs. In the runner-up position, we have another standout from Gorilla, the 100% silicone caulk in clear. This product shares many features with its white counterpart, including its waterproof formula, 10-year mold resistance, and resistance to shrinking and cracking. However, the clear finish gives it a slight edge in versatility, as it blends more seamlessly with different surfaces and colors, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. The 2.8-ounce squeeze tube is compact and easy to use, allowing for precise application even in tight spaces. Like the white version, this caulk is ready for water exposure in just 30 minutes, making it a convenient choice for quick repairs. It's compatible with a wide array of materials, including glass, ceramic, metal, and wood, and is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The only real drawback is the price. It's a bit higher than the white version at $7.99, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, the small size means it's not the best choice for large-scale projects. However, if you're looking for a high-quality, clear caulk that's versatile and easy to use, this product is an excellent option for homeowners and DIYers alike. Finally, at number 1, we have the GE All-Purpose Silicone Caulk. This product stands out as the premium choice on our list, and for good reason. At $8.87, it's the most expensive option, but the value it offers is unmatched. With a generous 10-ounce cartridge, this caulk is perfect for larger projects. Its 100% silicone formula provides superior waterproofing and weather resistance, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The stronger adhesion ensures a lasting seal that won't crack, peel, or deteriorate over time. What truly sets this caulk apart is its ability to handle extreme conditions. It's freeze-proof, sun-proof, and ready to handle rain exposure in just 12 hours. The clear finish allows it to blend seamlessly with a variety of surfaces, including glass, metal, wood, and stone. This versatility makes it a go-to solution for showers, windows, doors, and more. While the price might be a bit steep for some, the performance and durability justify the cost. This caulk is ideal for homeowners who want a reliable, professional-grade product that can handle heavy-duty applications. If you're looking for the best of the best, the GE All-Purpose Silicone Caulk is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.